So here's the box that the gymnastic bar came in. It's pretty big and heavy. Alright, let's unpack it and see what's in it, guys.
Let's go. Can we open it too? Let's open it. What is this? I know what it is.
Whoa, that's cool.
This is so awesome.
Alright, let's put it together. So we got all the parts out. There's no instructions. Yeah, but we're just gonna wing it. Let's go, guys. We know how to do this, right? We're getting close, guys. Right?
It's almost done.
Instructions when you have me.
Yeah. So we got it together. And we're just gonna clean up and test it out. It's heavy though. There's two versions of it, the normal one and the heavy duty. This is the heavy duty one. It's about 200 bucks.
I'm gonna test it.
We did not get the
Can I test it?
the mat that came with it, because that would be more. We have our own. So let's put that on there. Careful, guys. First up on the bar routine, the Logie Bear.
Oh, nice.
All right. Very cool. So this guy's about 40 pounds. And it doesn't really move at all. Next up, representing United States by way of Denmark, Edison.
Michael, can you please? Wait. Bring it up. I'm gonna try to do a pull down for this. Ow! I'm trying to do a pull down. I hope I can do it.
Let's see what you got.
This somewhere, no.
Hey Logan, let's get out of the way so you don't get kicked in the face, okay? Whoa, a nice pull-up.
Now it's my turn.
All right, let's see if we can do a... Whoa.
It's my turn, Maddie.
Yep, so she's about 50 pounds here and
It's my turn, Maddie.
still doesn't move, so that's good.
My turn, Maddie.
This can go up quite a bit. So we're just kind of in the middle. So it can go up quite a bit higher.
Okay,
And we got
I'm gonna try to go second.
5 and 3 years old. And let's get the teen in here. Let's see if they can handle the teen. Okay, not bad. Let's see if it moves.
Kind of flip.
You want to try and do a flip?
Yeah.
Break it. All right.
Can I try to do a front squat on that?
So it's definitely pretty solid, huh?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So for $200 or roughly, I don't think you can go wrong with this one. It did have some scrapes and some missing paint here and there, but nothing serious at all. And like I said, no instructions, but it's pretty straightforward. All right, let's do some tricks, guys. Whoa! You okay?
That didn't
He's okay, ladies and gentlemen. No way! You did it! You did it, buddy! Whoa, whoa! Logan, get your face out of the way.
That was.
Alright, very good. You guys are doing great. Yep. Alright, very cool. So, this is not ours. This is, we use this where we work. So we got this at work. We're just testing it out before we're gonna use it for our camps for these guys. But, I mean, the investment in this, 200 bucks, too good. I think it was down from 250 to 200. And super solid. Don't know how long it will last, but if something goes wrong, we'll definitely post something and let you guys know. But so far, we are liking this.